Hi, thanks for joining me on You Have the Power to Heal. I am Dr. Jeffrey Brown, and my goal is to educate, motivate, and help you to achieve optimal health. Today is October 10th, and so it is our 10th tip in helping you reduce your risk of developing breast cancer. So, I know we all love smelling a freshly cleaned home or have a nice smelling scent, from our recently washed laundry. But did you know that our everyday all-purpose cleaners, disinfectants, glass and carpet cleaners, air fresheners, and laundry detergents are made with chemicals that have been linked to breast cancer? Phthalates, parabens, bisphosphonyl A, BPA, triclosan are just few of the chemicals that are found that could be are carcinogenic and also are endocrine disrupting chemicals, these EDCs that I've spoken to you about in the past. Now, federal laws require that ingredients should be disclosed on our foods, cosmetics, and drug labels, but they are not required on cleaning products. So there's a group of researchers from the University of California, and some of them were associated with the UC Berkeley Center for Environmental Research and Children's Health. They conducted a study measuring our air concentrations of potentially hazardous, volatile, and semi-volatile organic compounds released from conventional and green cleaning products. Now, they specifically focused on chemicals that might increase a woman's risk of developing breast cancer. And they found a correlation between the use of cleaning products and volatile organic compounds, also VOCs, that's emitted in the air. 75% of the highest concentrations of VOCs were emitted from conventional cleaning products. Research also found, though, that some elevations of VOCs from green products, which are of concern, as there is no official regulatory body of green products and nobody to reinforce it. But overall, the researchers found that using natural or green cleaning products produce significantly less chemicals of concern. So, but be careful with labels that contain the word fragrance, as they sometimes hide some of these dangerous chemicals. Now, I know a lot of people assume that a home that is clean, more often and has that fresh, clean smell is a sign of a healthier home, but that might not be the case. The accumulation of these chemicals over time is a major concern in our pregnant women and also in our children. We are exposed to over 8,000 chemicals every day here in the United States. And this is a tremendous load placed on our liver, lymphatic system, and our kidneys. And an impairment in our detoxification system will lead to serious health consequences. So whatever you can do to lessen the burden on that system is going to make you much more healthy. I personally use Young Living's essential oils in my home as they are plant-based, antimicrobial, they can boost your immune system, they are safe for our bodies, it smells great, and they clean very well. They also have very high standards from where they get their sources from, as far as their oils, their agricultural processes, from the harvesting and collection all the way to the bottling of their products. They are even third-party tested to back up their own standards. So do your own research with the products that you use. So remember, whatever you touch, whatever you eat or smell will affect your health in some way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please share this with your friends and family. If you liked it, please subscribe. Stay tuned for tomorrow as we continue our discussion on how you can reduce your breast cancer risk. And remember, no matter what health problems you may be dealing with, you do have the power to heal. Thank you for watching.